If you're looking for the ultimate stroller fan for your baby this summer, you have to see this. This is the portable stroller fan, and it's packed with smart safety features. It has 4 flexible, food-grade silicone legs that wrap tightly onto any stroller bar without slipping, plus a finger-safe front grille so tiny hands stay completely protected. The digital display shows your exact remaining battery percentage, offering 5 wind speeds including a soothing natural wind mode. With long cooling runtime, a built-in soft night light, and a detachable head with an easy-to-clean removable back cover, it's an absolute summer essential for parents on the go. Comment link below and I'll send it straight to you.